Piece of shit.
Why is this Whirlpool a piece of shit?
Because it doesn't... I measured it the other day. I had 9 inches of clothes in and I had 2 inches of water. Now how can you wash anything in 2 inches of water when you got 3/4 of the way up the 3/4 of this tub full and you got 2 inches of water?
Is this supposed to be some stupid energy efficient thing?
Yeah, well, you just have to wash them more.
So you've done more laundry now because you have energy water efficient than you've done with the regular.
Well, you have to do it more often. You have to... Oh, ouch. Ouch.
So what do? Trick it? Here, what you got a napkin down here. So you have to trick it.
Yeah.
Trick it to.
It still won't. You have to get the... If I just have clothes, I will wet them completely, put them in, and then add water, and it might put more water in.
So what model is this?
Crap. There.
Okay, let me take a picture of it.
Yeah.
So you have to trick the sensor.
Put the water in it.
And you told me on the phone the other day that you love doing laundry. Not loved, but you got joy out of laundry, and now you find it what?
Hate doing it.
You hate doing laundry because it's a stupid machine. How long have you had this stupid machine?
Well, not long.
And did you know it was stupid?
Huh? I've had the guy over and he says always keep it on heavy. Now I'll do normal.
So keep it on heavy.
Yeah, that sort of is another trick.
And normal. This is nuts. So it hardly puts any water in. So basically, it's better to go to a 1970s
Yeah.
washing machine versus the modern ones.
Oh yeah. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Now I'm still got it going, so I'll time it.
Does that for maybe 7 seconds or something.
Now you're on a well, so you want to be conservative with water, but not this conservative. This is ridiculous.
Well, if you only have 2 inches of water and you have 9 inches of clothes, you can't tell me that we can wash. Oh, coming up. 30 seconds. Just pause it.
Let's look.
There's the height of the water.
Which is what? If it handle.
Comes to there.
2 inches.
And we've got, you know, 10 inches of clothes.
10 inches in clothes and put it to your hand to there to show the
3 inches of water.
Yeah. That's nuts.
Yeah.
Absolutely cuckoo.
And then when you phone to their site, they want you to pay $5.
What?
Yeah.
To ask them a question, you have to pay $5 to
Yeah.
Whirlpool?
Yeah.
Was there a name to this washing machine?
Whirlpool.
I took a picture of the tab.
Yeah.
So, what's your conclusion?
It's a piece of shit. Absolute piece of shit. And most of the new ones are.
So buy an old washing machine.
Keep the one you have.
Keep the one you have.
Yeah. Just.
It's upsetting what it is.
Well, it is. It's frustrating as hell. You can put your clothes in and they don't come clean.
Which is the concept of a washing machine. So now it's hardly put any water in. It's going into. How can it do wash cycle? There's no water in it.
That's it.
That's insane.
Yep. So these on the top.
So you have to do two or three loads.
If I hadn't wet it, it wouldn't be wet.
Okay, that's nuts.
How did you get the door? Did you push that?
No, I just opened it up. Do you have to push it to open it up?
Yes.
So it's rotating now. You don't even have a thing in the middle.
Oh.
How do you even get clean if there's no thing in the middle? Or agitator?
Maybe I just should keep doing that.
So now you have to stay down here for 10 minutes tricking the machine.
Yeah.